Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Axe for Her Anarchy body spray. So I just want to say before I get started talking about this, they do sell the newer versions of this bottle, but it is the same product. This is like one of the original bottles that it ever came in, but this product still is for sale. It's just in a different bottle if you were to go look for it. Just to give you guys an overview what it looks like. The top is pink, this part is black, and then the bottom part is this white bottle. And then right here it just says Axe Anarchy for Her, a unique all over body spray with a quality fragrance to keep you smelling great all day or all night. Just hold can 6 inches from your body and spray it all over. And it just has the warnings, what it has in it. Just getting started on this product, I do not like it at all. I don't use it. I got this a long time ago, which is why it is in the older bottle, and I just don't use it because I am not a big fan of Axe, guys. I don't even like when guys spray Axe. I grew up in a household with brothers, and I've seen them spray Axe on clothes they haven't washed. Even when they have showered, they sprayed Axe, and it just doesn't smell good to me. The smell is just so potent and so strong. It burns my nose and it gives me a gaggy feeling. And so when I received this as a gift, I thought like I was really sad, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I sprayed it a couple times. It was too strong. I didn't like it. It gives off like a very, very strong, like almost as if like you're trying to mask something. And like I said, growing up in a house full of brothers, my brothers would always try to mask their personal like must with this smell, and it just made it even 10 times worse for me. And so getting this as a gift, I was like, I probably will not use this as much as somebody else would. But the reason I do keep this, guys, is because I love the bottle, and I am a sucker for the way people market their products, and I do love the way this bottle looks. But as far as using it, I do not use it. Something I can say about it though, I like how airy it is. I like the way it feels. I was always a big fan of the way Axe cans looked and the way they feel. I'm just not a big fan of the way they smell. The Axe smell does last a long time, and if it is something you are into and something you're interested in, I'm not gonna lie, it does stay on your body for a good amount of time, like longer than a lot of other body sprays usually would. But it just honestly is like something that I literally like I can't tolerate. There's been times where I've been in school and people in gym have sprayed this on themselves, and I literally will almost pass out because the smell invade my personal space, and it just will honestly be too much. If you guys are looking for a travelable spray though, I can say this about this one. It is a good, it's easy to carry around. I have never personally took it with me anywhere. It's literally just stayed on my perfume rack, like in the back. I never like personally take it, but my sisters did get this as a gift as well. And I do know a couple of my sisters enjoy it, but me personally, I just did not. And I've seen them take it with them places. I personally seen my sister use it for interesting things. Before she puts her towels in the dryer, I seen her spray this a little bit before she puts it in the dryer so it will dry in her clothes because she really liked the smell of it. Something else that I will say is good about this is, for anybody who knows what Axe is or have ever heard of the brand, they started off only making for the main part, making like men's like products. And so I think it was very, very unique and cool for them to start making women's products. I am definitely a believer in whatever a man is able to have, a woman should be able to have too. And even though I do not like this product as a whole, I do know a lot of women out there who do. And that do enjoy using this. So I guess you can say don't knock it until you try it. Like I said, again, these are my only personal opinions. If you do have a problem with spray being too strong, or like you can't deal with like very, very walking around smelling like very, very strong fragrances, don't buy this, guys. Like, really don't. It's affordable, but I just say don't buy it, just because if you can't tolerate it, then there's no point in investing your money in it. Something else that really stuck out to me about this is the way it looks, and I talked about it before, and this is actually the reason why I still have this. I love the way it looks. I love what it's called, For Her Anarchy. Anybody who knows me knows that I am a big fan, like I've stated before, of the way things look, and this just honestly I love the outside of the bottle. I love the way it looks. And like I said, this is just like one of the original bottles that this spray has ever came in. I know now it might be like a black bottle with pink writing on it, but I honestly do love this bottle, and I just don't ever want to like throw it away or like give it away just because of the fact that I enjoy what the bottle looks like so much. Something else that I do think is very unique about this bottle too is the spray cap. I'm not sure if the newer Axe bottles have it on there, but I'm just going to speak about this one. The top is just this kind of thick spray bottle that I kind of enjoy. I wish some of my other perfumes would have this one that I enjoyed, but it's okay. And then it just kind of has like this sleek black top right here. But like I said before, guys, this is just the Axe Anarchy. For her, this one just says limited edition, but I do know they have other women's sprays, and yeah, if you guys do enjoy Axe, I do suggest getting it, but if not, then it's just not one of those products that I would see myself buying. But yeah, this is just Axe.